Good Saturday morning to you. Welcome to the weekend. It is Easter weekend. It's spring break for many of you as well, and it's going to be fantastic out there. We're warming up, especially into Sunday and Monday, our warmest days. By Tuesday, we'll have a front move in. That's going to bring us some cooler temperatures, going to bring us more clouds and maybe a few sprinkles, but it's really just going to be the temperatures you're going to notice the biggest effect with that. If you're planning on heading out this afternoon for any of the many events, spring events around Washington, the Tulip Fest, of course, topping out in the lower 60s, the Easter Parade in Snohomish about 63, the Daffodil Fest and Parade in Pierce County topping out in the lower 60s, the Walla Walla Valley 70 degrees. I wanted to show you if they're out. There we go. The Seattle Aquarium's otter cam, which you can watch it as well. You see the otters are enjoying a nice morning swim and likely going to be out soaking up some sunshine like many of us today. 44 in Seattle right now. The mountain is out. Beautiful morning. We have some low clouds, some fog, and then we have some high clouds out there with increasing clouds late tonight and into Easter Sunday. High clouds though, so we're still going to have sunshine, and then into Monday we'll have our temperatures peaking here in Seattle, but the coast going to be cooler. And you see how we briefly dip down into the low and mid 50s by Tuesday, and then we're up into the upper 50s and lower 60s once again. Big picture, we have that ridge building over the region. You can see how the clouds, the moisture is starting to ride that ridge going up into British Columbia, whereas the rest of us, we have dry conditions. And we're going to stay dry. In fact, most of us for the next 7 days. And going forward, you see a nice warming trend with increasing clouds. Again, these will be high clouds, maybe some fog in the morning. Also going to be a little breezy at times, so the wind may make it feel cooler because it's coming out of the north. We'll have highs in the 60s for many of our areas. Tomorrow morning, waking up to the 40s, and then looking ahead to your Easter Sunday. Again, high clouds, high temperatures, warming up into the mid 60s. Some of you in the upper 60s, lower 70s. Now, everyone will be in the 60s, maybe few of you in the 70s. So the entire area will peak. Tomorrow will be the warmest for everyone, but here in Puget Sound, going to be the warmest on Monday. You see how the coast is cooler because we get that push of onshore winds. Once again, that's going to cool things down all out ahead of that front on Tuesday as well. Our average first 70+ degree day in Seattle is April 14th. So we're a little before schedule, but nothing out of the ordinary. But if we hit 70 degrees in Seattle on Monday or even tomorrow, that will be the first time we've hit 70 or greater since October of last year. So definitely a nice treat if you're a warm weather lover.